the way until the very end. Now it is time to we call up on stage Lester Alvarez, Val Acuña, Gio Ponferrada, Sherwin Gago, Leo Nahorna, Rafi Rivas, Elaine Maliksi, Yancy Del Campo, Alex Magliari, Mark Paloma, Joe Lemans, restoring the muscle, Peter Cruz, Marcus Blakely, the Pinoy Sakuragi, Mark Freeland, and Big Game Changer. Also on Governor Mr. Rene Pardo, the assistant coaches, Jeffrey Carriazo, Johnny Amarietos, Olsen Rosella, and Richard Del Rosario. And of course, team manager, the captain, Alvin Patrimonio. And last but definitely not the least, tying the record for most championships in the PBA with 15, head coach, Coach Tim Cole. They will be awarded the championship trophy by PBA Commissioner Chino Salud and PBA Chairman of the Board and Governor of Barangay Nebra San Miguel, Mr. Robert Nod. Now may we call on Mr. Rene Pardo for a short message to the San Miguel Coffee Planet.
Of course, there will be a bonus. Well, congratulations guys. It was really hard work. 7-game series. Kung akala nilang iba madali yung dinaanan ng San Miguel Coffee, napakahirap. But from Race Boosters is a very worthy opponent. Talagang pinahirapan mo kami up to the last game. Siguro kahit na 15-game series, aabutin ng 15 games ito. Well, I would like to take this opportunity to express our gratitude to our bosses, Boston Tinguaco and Mr. Ramon Ham for the support that they've given this team. And the San Miguel Pure Foods Company, headed by Mr. Bucho Leo. Unfortunately, he's not around. And the executives of San Miguel Pure Foods are all here with their mango and their families. And of course, our San Miguel Coffee Planet. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you and congratulations, sir. And now we would like to hear from the man that has tied Coach Baby Dalupan as being the winningest coach in PBA history, Coach Tim Cole.
I just want to say that this was not about me. I love you guys for doing this for me. I just really love you for it. But this is really yours, fellas. You did the work. You did it all. And I'm so proud of you. And I'm really proud of the fans for, wow. You're really special up there. Look at the balloons. And thank you so much for coming and being here. Just really pushing us to another championship. These guys love you so much. Thank you again.
Thank you, Coach, and congratulations. And now we will give a little time to our PBA Governors Cup Finals MVP. It will be awarded by PBA Commissioner Chito Salud, of course, PBA President Buso Castillo, also Barry Pascual, the Vice President of Bandera, and Rayon Galvez, Secretary of Bulletin. Of course, also will be the CEO, Berjaya Pizza, Mr. Paul Su, and the COO, Ms. Marian Castro, as well as the Marketing Director, Ms. Marivi Serafin, of course, brought to us by Papa John's Pizza. Mr. Musso, who is our finals MVP?
The crowd actually spoke kanina with PBA Press Corps and Papa John's are very, very proud to hand the MVP award to Mark Pires.
From your finals MVP, the Pinoy Sakuragi, Mark Pires!
Once again, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Lord na to. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga teammates ko na tiwala sa akin. Kay Coach, sa mga fans, sa mga boss namin sa Miguel, sa wife ko. I love you so much. Sa family ko, sa lahat ng mga taga-Puso Rubio. Pagkasinan, salamat po sa lahat ng mga Ilocano.